This is just a quick video. Welcome on my channel Digital Toolcase. I just seen big news about ClosersCopy Lifetime Deal, and I want to show you what's happening. As you can see here, Lifetime Deal 7-day countdown, because Nico Engler, the owner of ClosersCopy, has decided to get rid of unlimited lifetime deal in 7 days. Today it's the 5th of April 2022, so I think on the 12th of April this deal will never be again available. Let's take a look quickly at the message appeared on the ClosersCopy community on Facebook. This is Nico Engler, and it's saying this: Lifetime Deal 7-day countdown. After 2 years of selling, the popular unlimited lifetime deal comes to an end. Yes, I am going to end my current lifetime promotion in 7 days. Don't worry, there will be a new lifetime promotion, but things will be different. Maybe not unlimited anymore, certainly more expensive. I haven't fully decided on all the details yet. The new plans will go live in 7 days. Until then, the unlimited plan is still available. So if you've been thinking about joining us, I recommend to jump on board today and be one of the last members who secure the most valuable license that will ever be offered. If not, don't worry, my new plans are going to be fire as well. Also, I've been working on a big update. It's an entirely new feature, something many of you have been waiting for. I'm still finalizing the details, but I am already super duper hyped to roll this out to you. I am going to release it with my new plans in 7 days or earlier, if I can manage. Of course, if you go unlimited today, this update, as well as all other future updates and innovation, will be yours too. This is the message, and I think it's very clear. This is the time to buy the unlimited plan if you are still undecided to purchase it. 7 day, the last 7 day, at this price, $427. If you check below my video, there's my link. It's an affiliate link, so thank you if you will use it. I can give you even a 15% discount today. I don't know when you will watch this video, so maybe if you watch it in another date, there will be no lifetime deal, there will be no discount. As of today, the 5th of April 2022, this is what's happening. So take your chance. These are the last day to have this unlimited lifetime plan, one-time fee for ClosersCopy. If you don't know what ClosersCopy is, please check my channel. I will put other links to other ClosersCopy videos here in the description and here in this video, so you can check it if you like it, if you want to try it and take the last chance to have this lifetime unlimited deal before it ends in 7 days, so before the 12th of April 2022. Thank you for watching this quick video, and see you soon.